Okay, I'm getting ready to paint the Decomposed Dice Tower. This was printed on a bamboo X1 carbon. It printed fairly well. I printed it using Paramount's PLA gray. I really like their filaments. It's kind of similar to Hatchbox. I like it because it's just a really good texture. It's pretty smooth for the most part. You know, those top layers are always pretty rough, but I'm hoping to get that with the paint. I did, after I printed this guy, I did use my little heat gun to kind of get rid of some very, very light webbing. You might see just a little bit here and there, but it did a pretty good job taking care of the webs. I'm going to just paint primer on it. We moved and I can't find any of my spray primer yet, but this will cover it nicely, and then I'm just going to use some kind of mix of paints. I've got some old craft paints. I've got some Citadel. Citadel's great, but man, it's really pricey. I used to love their primer sprays, but man, it's $30 per bottle or per can, and it's just too much. So typically how I set this up is I have my colors for different objects here. So we've got the skull, which I'll paint kind of a creamy color with some, you know, really nice skeleton contrast on top of it. Grass will be green with maybe, I'm gonna try a little bit of a blue shade. It might be too dark. We'll play around with it, and then kind of a really bright green dry brushing on top. And then for the mushroom stalks, got this kind of a darker version of this, a little warmer, with some, oh, this is for the dirt. For the dirt, I've got this sandy, warm color here with this dark earth shade to go on top of it. And then I'll dry brush it. I wish this was a warmer tone, but it's what I have. But I'll do just a very light dry brushing on top of it, this kind of sandy color. And then the mushroom tops, I've got this red here. You know what? I'm gonna go with this one. I like this one. I'll do some shading, contrast on top of that, and then kind of a pearl. This, I don't think this is bright enough, so I'll probably add a little gold or something to it. Just a light dry brush on top of the mushrooms. And then the mushroom stalks, I'll mix a little darker brown probably with this. This might change as I go. I'm kind of a make it up as I go kind of person, but I'll go ahead and go get some water, get some good music, and I will begin painting this.
In a realm where dreams are 3D printed, heroes rise, the quest's unstinted. Download a masterpiece, let the journey begin. With FatesEnd creations, adventures spin. Fierce, mountains tall where legends pierce. Roll the dice, let fate decide. In this epic world, there's no place to hide. Print your gear, your armor bright, with every detail ready for the fight. Maps and minis, dice that gleam. Embark on quest, fulfill your dream. Explore the lands both near and far, from enchanted forest to the brightest star. Gather your quest of flight. In the world of RPGs we unite.
I was sitting there. I need to get back to my project.